laingut kita yela kai cricket na kejela nang da kawai ka support staff jong ka Meghalaya kila Shajit ban mikmat ya ka North East Zone ha ka ba kini shimbanja ha ka Senior Women Interzonal One Day Trophy arjar arpunriu ka bala penlong da ka Board of Control for Cricket in India BCCI ha Bangalore. Yagne tournament la penlong ha BCCI Center of Excellence North Zone, South Zone, East Zone, West Zone, Central Zone, but North East Zone. Yagne ka North East Zone an lam khmat da ka player cricket na ka jela ka Debas Mita Data. Hagaba yaka latung kum ka kapten jong ka kanhun. Nangta hagne ka kanhun ka kentublang ya arngut ki thayela kai na ka jela. Kata ka Ruby Chetri na Ribhoy bat ka Daya ka Wartri na Mairang. Nangta ka support staff ka Deri Shisha Mauro na Shillong kabala Shajit kum ka strength condition coach na kabanta ka North East Zone team.
Anjinotep, I am the manager of the North East Zonal Senior Women's team. I am from Nagaland. It is an honor for me to be managing the team. However, I think the players from northeastern states are growing massively when it comes to cricketing team. And then I hope and I pray that they represent our India in the future days. Thank you.
Yeah. Talking about the Northeast team, I think we have a good balanced team, and overall their maturity level in the game, it has improved a lot, and we are hoping that this time we are going to give the best of the game. Done.
Kerting jonga dari Shisha Maura, Shang Hasa Hapok Shillong, and qualification jonga kadai ka BCCI as coach, and kong ang I could play MCA but NCDC but I kat kalat ban namantan kanika interzonal women one day, senior women one day, and ngasajit na menta jong kanika interzonal team, and napo Meghalaya, but we don't do kiwi state kawan but Malaysia petah apa interzonal senior women team one day, and ngaso sarang bat ngaso kaman ba kita pilih ngut kena basajit napo Meghalaya team ban Malaysia petah ni. And kunjuru Nidon kunjuru captain lu tadi napo Meghalaya cricket team ni teng kublai ru ya kadika BCCI ba ai kat kanika platform mo ikna page ni, and kunjuru kidon kiba naki Indian player bawan pamelakai ban sipta ha kadika interzonal te katahi ba nang ni shikman ba kidon ki kena ru ban shushu napo Meghalaya team.
Hello everyone, I'm Debasmita Datta, captain of the Northeast Zonal team. I'm from Meghalaya, and I'm really grateful to MCA for providing me this wonderful opportunity, and I hope I'll do my best performance throughout this tournament. Thank you so much.
My name is Ruby Chetri. Right now I'm in Bangalore for interzonal one-day matches. I got selected for this tournament. I'm very lucky. And thank you MCA Meghalaya Cricket Association for supporting me and my team, and because of they gave me the opportunity to represent the interzonal one day, so I thank you and wish us all the best. Thank you so much.
Kay Miguel Wardri na po Mairang kunjong ibarat ikuto pati Doyarlen Wardri te masyong nga sa po Mairang but ni ko ngam lak na ingo ublay ya ba latar ni ka lang kumjo yang hadu kan ni ka klipmat ka bamenta hoot kumjo ka lang ka ba kasin ka maning ko yang abangan Shajit kum ka interzonal senior women's interzonal kabalang hani po Bangalore te ngalayo sibon ki experience but kumjo nga so kuman ba banyol kalang bat ki kidon hi khendet baki kum ki players Indian te Krishibuan tang ni kintian